All right, number 2. The scatter plot shows the number of free throws that different basketball players attempted and the number that each player made. So on the x-axis, we have the number of free throws they attempted. And then on the y-axis, out of those free throws, how many free throws were made. Based on the trend in the data, approximately how many free throws would a player be expected to make if he attempted 60 free throws? Alright, so first of all, the first thing I notice is that this problem is talking about, so we have a scatter plot. This problem is comparing free throws attempted with free throws made, and we have a positive correlation. So the more free throws attempted, the more are made. Just some background information. Here's the actual question. How many free throws would a player be expected to make? That's on the y-axis. So how many they make if he attempted 60 free throws. So here's our main clue right here. We want to know if he attempted 60. If he attempted 60, how many do we think he'll make? So let's go to where that is. So if he attempted 60, first of all, we got to know that we're talking about the x-axis because we're looking at free throws attempted, and 60 is right here. This is the line for 60. So if we look at just this right here, how many do we think he'll make based on the correlation? So we know that this is a positive correlation, it's going this direction. And essentially, we're looking for which of these answer choices best fits this pattern. So I'm going to draw a rough idea of what a trend line should be. If I'm going to make a trend line through here, and this is what you should be doing on your papers, I would draw a trend line through the middle of all those points as best as I could, somewhere around there. That would be my trend line because it's in the middle of all my points. So this right here, the red, is my trend line. So now I'm going to go through each of my answer choices. I'm going to look at how many free throws made each of these answer choices would show me on this line at free throws attempted and see which one's closest to my line. So if he attempted 60 free throws, let's say he makes 50 of them. He makes 50 is right here. So that's answer choice A. 35 is right around here. 25, 10, 20, 25. So 25, scoot across, right around there, and 60. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right around here. If you will draw all of those points on there, it'll make it a lot clearer which of these answer choices it should be. From this right here, the closest to the trend line is 35, which was answer choice G. So correct answer, answer choice G.